Building with Papa. Well, this video is about doing a major repair on a fence. Okay, if you trying to do a fence from scratch, then you need to meet the new codes, which are your posts to be 4 foot on center. You can go back and look at my video, Shadow Box Fence. Okay, this is the shadow box fence. You can see it on my channel, and it'll show you how to build a shadow box fence. This one here we did for a customer. It came out really nice. They make several different other types of fences. He preferred the shadow box, so that's what we did. Alright, the next one that is also common is what they call a stockade fence. That's this one, where they just put the boards next to each other. Problem with that is as they dry, the gaps in between get larger. Alright, the one we're going to be doing one called a board on board. This covers all the slats. It can shrink or do whatever. That'll show you how to do a new one. Well, this video is repairing an existing fence. The 4x4s posts are 4 foot on center, and they're strong. There's nothing wrong with them. 98% of the 2x4s are fine. The ones that are rotted, we're going to repair. We're going to replace them. Okay, but all the fencing, we decided to go with a thicker dog ear fence. Okay, so the standard ones you get are usually about ½ inch thick, the planking, and it's about 5.5 inches wide and just under 6 foot tall. Those are the ones that come pre-made. Okay, so now that we have everything, we're going to remove all the slats, and we just bought new slats. We bought them 5/8 thick and full 6 inches wide and a full 6 foot tall. So it's more wood. It's going to last longer than it did last time. So here you go. Enjoy this video. You'll learn how to easily get them removed and then to install them. You have to use your string lines. I'll show you how to you set those. And like, subscribe, and ring that bell. All right. I hope you enjoy this video. As you can see, we used the 4x4 to remove the pickets, and then you have to remove or bend over all the nails or screws, whatever is there. Then you install a picket at each end and in the middle. You plumb them up at the height that you want to go, and then you have to run your string line from end to end. You put a nail in the top of the board, you pull the string nice and tight, tie it to the next board on the nail, and then go to the last one. This is going to give you a continuous elevation so that you can put the top of your fence right at that line. You keep it a little bit lower just so you can get a continuous gap that you're able to see. Now you want to make a gauge so you can keep the distance between each picket smaller than the size of the picket, so that when you do the overlap, you're overlapping each one. Okay, as you run around, you're doing this completely around the fence. And I'm showing you the back side where the old 4x4s and 2x4s are. You'll see some new 2x4s in place there. And everything worked out really well. The two sides are done. We're starting to work on the other side where we're removing everything, and then we'll start those pickets. As you can see, we have them up now, and then we're going to work the front side. Here we're going to move the gate. So we put 2 new 4x4s in so we can move the gate over. Because the first time it was done, it was on the end post and it always sagged. So we added these, and then we're doing the gate. This happens to be the gate on the other side. It's just under 8 foot. It's a very long gate. They had a metal bracket inside for the gate. We reused it, and what we did is we reinforced it with 2x4s, and then we also put a wheel on the bottom end. We had to put some more wood there to hold it. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Building with Papa. Go ahead and hit the thumbs up if you like this video. Every little bit helps. Thank you.